Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. It's important to work in a clean, well-lit area to prevent any extra damage to your device. First, power down your Lenovo LOQ 15 ARP9 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the laptop. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you will need them later. Use your Phillips #0 screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and slowly work your way around. Be cautious not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the battery connector. Disconnect it by gently pulling it from the motherboard. This is a crucial step to prevent any accidental power on while you work on the screen replacement. Next, you'll see the display assembly. Carefully unscrew the hinges that connect the screen to the laptop body. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for the reassembly. At this stage, if you find yourself uncertain or lacking tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can also assist with the pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience. No calls, no travel, just easy service at your convenience. Once the hinges are removed, gently lift the broken screen from the base. Be cautious of any remaining cables connected to the display. Disconnect these cables carefully using your tweezers to avoid any damage. With the old screen removed, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris inside the laptop. This will help improve the overall performance and longevity of your device. Now, take your new screen and align it with the bracket. Carefully connect the display cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are securely fastened. Reattach the hinges using the screws you previously removed. Before sealing everything up, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Reconnect the battery temporarily and power on the laptop. If the display lights up correctly, then power it down again to proceed with the final assembly. Once you confirm everything is working, replace the back cover by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. If you have any questions about the process or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your Lenovo LOQ 15 ARP9. Enjoy your refreshed device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.